Hi, my name is Rafiq. Accounting runs in my blood. My granduncle was the first Malay chartered accountant in Malaysia, and my father followed in his footsteps. Growing up around accountants, I witnessed the valuable role they played, inspiring me to give accounting a go. Over time, I've learned that accounting is a powerful language that drives crucial business decisions. As a professional accountant at Ernst Young, I get to utilize my accounting knowledge to analyze businesses and deliver tailored solutions to my clients. From corporate restructuring to mergers and acquisitions, embracing diverse viewpoints helps me excel as a manager, providing valuable insights to both my team and clients. Beyond my professional commitments, I'm passionate about making social impact. I actively engage in pro bono cases, collaborating with NGOs to overcome operational challenges and achieve their strategic goals. The MICPA and Chartered Accountants ANZ Qualifying Programme has equipped me with a deep understanding of how businesses work and the challenges they face. These skills, combined with my sharpened soft skills, enable me to think strategically, strike up meaningful conversations, negotiate effectively, and build trust. My ultimate goal is to create a meaningful impact in people's lives and the success of businesses. As a professional accountant, I understand the influence businesses have on the economy, and it's my privilege to be a part of that. In the future, I aspire to invest in Malaysian startups and SME markets, contributing to their growth and the Malaysian economy. With new technologies transforming accounting practices, professional accountants like me will take on a more strategic role, validating data and driving excellence. Achieving success in my career has also taught me the importance of balance and perspective. In my free time, I engage in various sports like tennis, badminton, running, sailing, and even horse riding. These activities open my mind to diverse experiences, making me a more effective manager. I can build rapport, discover opportunities, and maintain a healthy lifestyle. It's about being a well-rounded individual who can bring a unique perspective to every aspect of life. My name is Rafiq, and I am a professional accountant who can seize opportunities and shape a better future.